How to manage where can your videos be embedded on Vimeo PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Vimeo, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to the top here on your profile and now go down to settings. After you click on settings, now all what you have to do is so simple. Go to videos. After you go to videos, you will find where you can your videos be embedded. Click here and choose nowhere or anywhere. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.